This is our frequent answer to most of your questions asking me over Instagram about where can I buy the cheapest Seiko out there without traveling for more than an hour or two from Tokyo. I am always recommending Mitsui Outlet Park here in Yokohama Bayside. This might be the cheapest turtle that I saw since it is on sale for 36,600 yen only after removing the tax. That is $230 or 13,700 PHP. The SBDC-101 is a crowd favorite and I cannot blame you with that. I am a victim of this sexy all black that feels like it can work with you the entire night. I heard that they call it as a 62 mass reissue that pays respect to Japan's first ever diver watch, the 6R35 mid-range automatic movement introduced back in 2019, known for its 70-hour power reserve. If you want a wrist presence, then look no further because it has a 40.5mm size. And of course, it's a Prospex diver's watch. It can help you up to 200 meters under the water. This is one of the most recommended modern Seiko divers. Many collectors call it as a one watch wear all piece because it works for casual, diving, and even formal wear. Not bad for its price at 122,000 yen duty-free or 770 USD, which translates to 45,700 PHP.